How to learn project management. Here are two proven methods. How to learn project management. Here are two proven methods. Project management is a critical skill for any business owner. It can be the difference between project success and failure. However, learning how to project manage does present challenges. But with 61% of companies beginning to provide some form of project management training or professional development to their teams, the demand for a more defined path is becoming clear. What is project management? Project management is the process of planning, executing, and monitoring a series of tasks in order to achieve a specific goal. This process typically includes setting deadlines, assigning roles and responsibilities, and ensuring that progress is being made. Project management is a critical skill for business owners because it helps them to ensure that their projects are completed on time, within budget, and to the required standard. There are many different project management methodologies and frameworks that businesses can use, such as Agile, Scrum, Waterfall, and Kanban. How to learn project management skills. Once you've chosen your project management method, it's time to start learning the skills you need to be successful. Some of the skills you'll need to learn include: how to do project planning and define project scope, how to assess and mitigate risks with risk management processes, how to assign tasks and roles, how to track progress, how to handle changes, how to communicate with stakeholders. You can learn these skills by reading project management guides, taking courses, or attending workshops. There are a number of free resources that can help you to learn these skills, such as our blog. We regularly publish articles on project management topics and have compiled this helpful guide on the key skills needed for successful project management. Start by taking on small projects and gradually increase the size and complexity of the projects you manage. As you gain experience, you'll start to develop your own project management style. Finally, networking with other project managers is a great way to learn about new methods, tools, and approaches. How to learn Agile project management. Agile project management is a popular approach that's well suited to fast-paced projects. It's based on the Agile Manifesto, which values individuals and interactions, working software, customer collaboration, and responding to change. Project managers who use an Agile approach focus on delivering value early and often, and work in short cycles called sprints. What's next? Once you've chosen your method, it's time to start putting what you've learned into practice. Start by working on small projects, such as planning an event or managing a social media campaign. As you gain project management experience, you can take on larger projects. Project management certification can give you the ability to bid on larger projects and command a higher salary. Keep in mind that the Project Management Professional certification from the Project Management Institute is not the only option when it comes to getting a project management certificate. Our course includes certification as well. No matter what method you choose, remember that practice makes perfect. The more experience you have, the better you'll become at project management.